It's phonics time, and it's a new week, and we're learning a new letter and a new sound. Our letter is the letter T, and our sound is T, T, T. Can you say T, T, T? Well done. We are going to learn a fun song about the sound T, T, T. When I play the tennis game, T, 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 T. When I play the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Can we sing that together? When I play the tennis game, ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta. When I play the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Whew, that was quite challenging, I must admit. Well, this week we are going to learn all about the sound T. That's right. Ooh. Who can see one thing that starts with the sound T? T, 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 T. Tent. That's correct. That starts with the sound